I know you don't like it. I'm just not really satisfied with these cables I've been using. What can I do, Ruby? Huh? Let's go get it. Go get me a good cable. What's that? Something better? You got me a cable? Cool, let's check it out, Ruby. Thank you. A premium audio cable. That must be better. What is this? It's got a little clicker so you don't have to hear that squawking noise when I plug in and out of my different guitars. You're an awesome dog, Ruby. Thanks. Give it up. Alright, let's do a little loop. See how they sound. These are made in the US of A. So let's sing a little bit of song about it. Let's hear it. Here it goes.